Tom, I've been thinking.
Uh-oh, what now?
Don't say it like that. It's something wonderful.
Okay, I'm listening.
I really want to adopt a dog.
A dog? That's a big responsibility.
I know, but I'm ready.
Who's gonna walk it every day?
We both will. It'll be fun.
And the vet bills, dog food.
I've done the research. It's affordable.
You really want this, don't you?
So much. I've wanted a dog since I was little.
What about our small apartment?
We can get a small dog or a calm one.
Where would we even get a dog?
The animal shelter. They have so many dogs needing homes.
Adopting is better than buying.
Exactly. Please, can we just go look?
Just look, you promise?
I promise. Just to see what's available.
Fine, let's go this weekend.
Yes. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is it. Happy Tales Animal Shelter.
It looks nice, very clean.
They have great reviews online.
I can already hear the dogs.
Aw, they're barking. They know we're here.
Ready to go in?
More than ready.
Remember, we're just looking.
I know. Just looking.
Why are your eyes already watery?
I'm just excited.
Sure.
Come on, let's go inside.
After you.
Look at that mural. So cute.
They really care about animals here.
This feels like the right place.
Let's talk to someone about the adoption process.
Welcome to Happy Tales. How can I help you?
Hi, we're interested in adopting a dog.
Wonderful. Is this your first time adopting?
Yes, for both of us.
Great. Let me explain the process.
We'd appreciate that.
First, you'll meet our available dogs.
How many do you have?
Currently, about 20 dogs looking for homes.
That's a lot.
All shapes and sizes. Do you have preferences?
We live in an apartment, something smaller.
Good thinking. We have several small breeds.
What about personality?
We have active dogs and calm dogs.
My girlfriend is very active, but I like calm.
We'll find a good balance.
What's the adoption fee?
It's $150. Includes spaying, vaccinations, and microchip.
That's very reasonable.
We want to make adoption easy.
What's the next step?
Follow me to the dog area. Let's meet some pups.
Wow, so many dogs here.
This is our dog section. About 20 friends looking for homes.
They're all so cute.
Each one is special. Take your time to look around.
Who's that little brown one?
That's Biscuit. He's a terrier mix, 2 years old.
He's wagging his tail at me.
He's very friendly, loves cuddles.
What about that golden one over there?
That's Sunny, a golden retriever mix. She's 5.
She looks so calm.
Very mellow, great for apartment living.
And that little white one in the corner?
That's Snowball, shy at first, but very loyal.
Aw, she looks a bit nervous.
She's been here the longest, 3 months now.
Why hasn't anyone adopted her?
People usually want puppies. She's 8 years old.
8? She doesn't look that old.
Older dogs are wonderful, already trained, calm, and so grateful.
Can I meet Snowball?
Of course. Let me get her for you.
Tom, come meet her. This is Snowball.
Who's this little one?
She's 8 years old. Isn't she beautiful?
An older dog? I thought you wanted a puppy.
I did. But look at her eyes.
She does look sweet.
The volunteer said she's been here 3 months.
That's a long time.
Nobody wants older dogs. It's so sad.
Let me pet her. Hey, Snowball.
Look, she's leaning into your hand.
She's so gentle.
I think she likes you.
She's not hyper at all.
The volunteer said she's calm and trained.
That would be easier than a puppy.
And she deserves a home, Tom.
You want to adopt her, don't you?
I really do. Look at her.
She is pretty special.
Can we please?
Let's do it. Let's give Snowball a home.
Really? Oh, Tom, thank you. Hi, we'd like to adopt Snowball.
Snowball, what a wonderful choice.
We fell in love with her immediately.
She's been waiting for the right family.
What paperwork do we need?
Just fill out this adoption application.
Is it complicated?
Not at all. Name, address, pet experience.
We don't have pet experience yet.
That's okay. Everyone starts somewhere.
What does the adoption fee cover?
Spaying, vaccinations, and microchipping.
So she's already fixed.
Yes, and up to date on all shots.
When does she need her next vaccination?
In about 6 months. I'll give you her health records.
That's so helpful.
We also recommend a vet visit within 2 weeks.
Just to make sure everything is okay.
Exactly. Establish your relationship with a vet.
We'll definitely do that.
Sign here and here. Perfect.
That's it. She's ours.
Snowball is officially yours. Congratulations.
Welcome. Can I help you find anything?
Yes, we just adopted a dog.
Congratulations. First pet?
First dog. We need everything.
Let's start with the basics. Food, bed, bowls.
She's 8 years old. What food is best?
For senior dogs, I recommend this brand.
Senior formula. Got it.
It's gentle on digestion and good for joints.
Perfect. What size bag?
Start with the medium. See if she likes it.
Good idea. What about a bed?
Older dogs love memory foam. Very comfortable.
Like a luxury hotel for dogs.
Exactly. She deserves it.
We also need a leash and collar.
What's her name?
Snowball. She's white and fluffy.
This pink collar would look adorable.
She'd look like a princess.
Don't forget flea and tick prevention.
How often do we use that?
Once a month. Very easy application.
I'll take 2 months supply.
So many toys. Which are best for older dogs? Older dogs usually prefer soft toys.
Like this plush bunny.
Perfect choice. It's gentle on teeth. Snowball might like something to cuddle. Absolutely. Many dogs treat them like babies. That's adorable. What about treats? We have a whole section. Follow me.
Are there treats for senior dogs?
Yes, these are soft and easy to chew.
Good for training.
Great for bonding too. I'll take 2 bags.
Do you need poop bags?
Oh, I didn't think of that. Essential for walks. Biodegradable ones are best.
Environmentally friendly. I like that.
Anything else? I think we have everything. You're all set for your new family member. I can't wait to bring her home.
Hi, I'd like to schedule an appointment for my dog.
Of course. Is this a new patient?
Yes, we just adopted her today.
Congratulations.
Thank you. The shelter recommended a checkup.
That's standard for new adoptions.
When is your earliest availability?
We have an opening this Wednesday at 3 p.m.
That works perfectly.
What's your dog's name?
Snowball. She's a white mixed breed, 8 years old.
Sweet name. Is she spayed?
Yes, the shelter did that already.
Perfect. And she's microchipped?
Yes, all taken care of.
Bring her health records from the shelter.
I have them right here.
Dr. Martinez will review everything.
What should we expect?
Basic checkup, weight, heart, teeth, joints.
Anything specific for senior dogs?
The doctor will recommend blood work.
Good to know. See you Wednesday.
Look at her exploring the apartment.
She's sniffing everything.
It's all new to her.
She found her bed already.
Smart girl.
I think she likes it.
She's settling in so fast.
I can't believe we're dog parents now.
I told you she's special.
I'm glad we picked an older dog.
Look, she's falling asleep on her bed.
She feels safe here.
That's all I ever wanted.
Best decision we ever made.
The drive is nice.
Yes, the road is smooth.
Look at the clouds.
They are very dark.
The app said sun.
No sun right now.
Wow, listen to that thunder.
It is starting to rain.
It is raining hard. I cannot see well.
Oh no, the house.
What is wrong, Sarah?
The big living room window.
Is it open?
Yes, for fresh air. The rain is blowing in.
My new wool carpet.
Don't panic, we're close.
Please drive safely, Tom. Look at the window.
It is wide open.
The floor is wet.
Close it now, Tom.
Okay, it is safe.
Look at the carpet.
It is soaking wet.
It is ruined, right?
No, we can save it.
I am so sorry.
Don't be sorry, let's work.
I have the towels.
Put them right here.
Press down very hard.
Like this. Is it good?
Yes, soak up the water.
The towel is heavy now. Give me a dry one.
This work is hard.
But look, it is better.
Yes, it's not so wet now.
We are a good team.
We saved the carpet. I need some water.
Let's sit and rest.
Wait, what is that?
Is it the wind?
No, listen carefully.
That is Buster barking.
Is he in his room?
I think so, maybe.
Did you bring him in?
I thought you did.
Oh no, poor Buster.
He is out in the rain.
Open the back door.
Buster, come inside, boy.
He is totally wet.
He is shaking.
To the bathroom, quickly.
Warm water is ready.
Put him in the tub.
Don't shake, Buster.
Oh no, my face.
I am wet too.
Okay, wash him now.
He likes the bubbles.
Now dry him off.
He looks like a cloud.
A clean, fluffy cloud.
The house is quiet now.
The carpet is safe and the dog is clean.
Here is hot tea.
Thank you, Tom.
Look at Buster sleeping.
He is very tired.
I am exhausted too.
It is our turn.
Time to relax now.
Yes, just do nothing.
That sounds very good.
Have a good rest. Oh no, I am so clumsy. I just knocked over my coffee cup. Look at the rug. It is ruined.
Don't panic. Let me see. It is just a little bit of coffee.
But this is your favorite rug. It looks terrible. I feel so bad. I think I destroyed it.
Hey, calm down. Honestly, it is not a big deal. It is just an old rug.
Are you sure? It is a huge dark stain. It looks very ugly right in the middle of the room.
Really, it is fine. This rug is 10 years old. It already has spots on it. Plus, I can wash it.
I can pay for the cleaning, or I can buy you a brand new one tomorrow.
No need. I was actually planning to buy a new one anyway. This one is worn out.
Really? You aren't angry at me?
Not at all. Accidents happen.
I was so worried. Thanks for understanding.
Like I said, it is not a big deal. Let's just get some paper towels and soak it up.
Okay, I will get them right now.
I am so glad you can watch my house this weekend. I am running late for my flight, so I need to tell you the rules quickly.
No problem. I'm happy to help. What do I need to do?
Okay, listen carefully. The alarm code is 5921, but you must press enter twice. The cat gets wet food at 6 a.m., but the dog gets dry food at 7 a.m., mixed with a pill. And never let the cat go into the garage.
Whoa, slow down. You are speaking way too fast. Can you run that by me again?
Sorry, I am in a rush. I will say it slowly. Alarm 5921. Enter twice. Cat eats at 6. Dog eats at 7 with a pill. Keep the cat out of the garage.
Okay, alarm 5921. Cat at 6, dog at 7. No garage for the cat. I think I have it.
Perfect. Oh, and the back door sticks, so you have to lift the handle up firmly before you turn the lock.
Lift up, then turn. Okay. Wait, actually, the door part sounds tricky. Could you run that by me again? I don't want to get locked out.
Sure. Lift the handle up, then turn the key.
Got it. Have a safe trip. Honey, I am moving the wet clothes to the dryer, but I have a strange question. Since when do I own pink shirts?
Pink shirts? You don't have any. You only wear white ones for work. Let me see.
Look at this. Every single shirt is light pink.
Oh no. I see a red sock hidden at the bottom of the machine. I must have missed it when I loaded the laundry. I was in such a rush this morning. I messed up.
This is really bad. I have a big presentation with the new clients tomorrow morning. I need to look professional. I can't walk in there looking like a strawberry ice cream.
I am so sorry. I know how important that meeting is. I really wasn't paying attention.
Well, panic won't help. Do we have any bleach? Maybe we can wash them again.
No, the dye is really strong. Look, I admit I messed up. I will drive to the mall right now and buy you new shirts.
The mall closes in an hour. We'd better hurry.
I am already grabbing the car keys. Let's go. Are you ready to go? I have the car keys. We should leave now to get to the baseball stadium on time.
Actually, put the keys away. I think we should take the train instead of driving tonight.
The train? Why? Driving is much faster. The GPS says it is only a 20-minute drive. The train takes 40 minutes.
The GPS is wrong. The game starts at 7 p.m. It is rush hour right now. The highway will be completely jammed. It will take us an hour just to move 2 miles.
Oh, I forgot about the rush hour traffic. Sitting in traffic is terrible. Okay, that makes sense.
Also, parking at the stadium is expensive. They charge $50 for event parking. The train ticket is only $5.
$50? That is a ripoff. I can buy a lot of snacks with that money.
Exactly. Plus, if we take the train, we can both enjoy a beer at the game. We don't have to worry about driving home safely.
You are right. Saving money and drinking beer sounds like a much better plan.
That makes sense. Great, let's walk to the station.